communities come together, magic really happens. And I really want to reach out to the design community because you have such an important role when it comes to community-driven futures.
We have to transform the system because we have to decouple economic growth from the consumption of natural resources. Then sustainability is not the right tool.
As designers do not raise our consciousness, we will be only serving the 2 to 5% who are the affluent.